Good evening guys, this is Raza and you're watching my channel Anjana Musafir. Time is 9:55 in the night and today I am standing near the ocean or river, whatever you say, because this thing behind my back is a river, man-made artificial river which is made from the ocean. The water is oceanic water and this place is like harbor, mini harbor of boats, steamers and other types of cargo ships, or you can say boats, big boats. That place where you can see few lights is a Dubai old city, and I have made already a video on that. Click on I button to see that video. Today I'll try to show you the little bit nightlife of Dubai. Let's see how does it goes like. So before arriving in Dubai, what you will think how Dubai will look like. Lots of cars, very luxurious life, lots of Arabs with big clothes and lots of fancy cars. This is the Dubai what we see, but when you arrive in Dubai, you will see a different kind of Dubai. You will see struggling people, you will see migrants from the Africa, Philippines, Pakistan and also from India who are struggling in their lives to get little bit of money. You can see everywhere. They work here for a little bit money and they earn and they live. These things you will see when you first arrive in Dubai. Basically, when you go to the modern Dubai, the downtown area, the fully developed area, or you can say the rich side of Dubai, there also you will find this kind of thing, but very few, because at those places rich people occupied all the area and you will rarely see these kinds of thing which I see regularly, because where I am living right now is a place which is full of Africans, full of Pakistanis who do the labor work in this city, Dubai. So today I'm going to show you those areas. Lift is not working, so let us go and see how does it goes like. Today I will show you the less famous area of Dubai, which is known as Deira. So I have arrived at that place. Basically right now I am a little bit far from that place, but in a few moments I'll reach to that place, the local Dubai. Security notice, no photos or videos allowed. I don't know why. Dubai is a tourist place. People come here to explore this city, but everywhere these things are not allowed. Recording videos in public places, in malls, in all those places. I don't know why. What are these? We have just arrived at this place. This place is known as Banyas Square. Banyas is derived from the Indian word banya, which means a cunning businessman is known as banya in India. And this is the place where people lie down, rest, and so this is the garden area, artificially made by Dubai authorities. It's like any other natural park. So this is the crowdest street which I know near my place. People from Africa, people from India come here for jobs. And this place is street jewels of Dubai. It means you will get a very less price things in Dubai, like shirts and electronics and all other things. And really you can get branded t-shirts, very good gadgets at a very low price. So behind me is a mall, and you will find everywhere in Dubai these types of malls where you can get much cheaper items than the local shops. And is my personal experience, the stuffs you will purchase from these malls are much more cheaper than local shops. All people are looking. So all those alcohol items like gutkhas and hookahs and Burj Khalifas you can take to your home. And here in Dubai, all the alcoholic chains are widely open for everyone. There is no ban, nothing. Although it is not allowed to drink at the restaurant, but you can take it to your home and use it the way you want. The reason why videos and photographies are banned in Dubai is, what I think is, there are lots and lots of illegal which is forbidden from the all over the world, because that will destroy the image of Dubai. So these are the roadside shops in Dubai. From 5 dirham to 20 dirhams you will get the slippers, the t-shirts and all those stuffs, wearing stuffs. This is the bus of Dubai, fully AC, fully air conditioned. So what I think is that to save the reputation of Dubai, the authority is not allowing the videos to get recorded in those areas where those things are happening. So I will also not recording. This is the Turkish type of restaurant, and you can see this thing, big stuffs. And I can see a big door handle at this place. See, this is the theme of this market, big handle, which you use to open the door. And what I can see is there is very big metallic equipment. You can't see because it is very dark here, but it is really very huge. If I turn on the flashlight of my phone, you can see it is really very tall. Wow. So you can see all the Pakistani peoples are doing luggage, loading and unloading stuffs. This is Toyota Hilux. So this is a very big market. It will take me whole night. This place is known as Al Nakhal Street, and people who come here for work, I don't know why, but they are not looking happy from their face. Everybody is like staring, not having a good mood, frustrated, stressed, looking for work everywhere. Money can buy happiness in Dubai, but for those who have money, who don't have money, who come here for earning, for them, money really can't buy happiness because they don't earn that much amount from which you can enjoy in Dubai, because pay scale is really very low than the expenditure, than the expenses which they spend in this city. Very good tagline for Dubai is made that the best city to live in. I know, because you will get freedom, you will get money, you will get job. So in the world of hunger, poverty and unemployment, Dubai is really doing a great work. But after the COVID thing, things are getting more and more difficult in Dubai to stay here, to work here, and also to enjoy here. Well, this is it. Time to close down this video right here, right now, in the middle of this place called Deira. You can't speak loud here because eyes are everywhere staring at you. If you do anything wrong, they will. So this is it. This is the overall today's video. I hope you like this video. For any reason, if you want to comment, you can comment also. You can share this video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel Anjana Musafir. See you in the next video. Till then, it's still 2.5 months in Dubai. I'm going to explore each and every corner of this mysterious city, Dubai. Okay, so come and explore with me this city. Till then, goodbye.